I don't think so. There's no. Anyway, the reason we did this was that so that we could maintain the peace. The only way to maintain the peace is to make sure that the area is safe and is secure. And considering this is a 30-hectare compound, kailangan mo talaga ng maraming tao. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin ito na isang dosenang pulis. I do not see. I think what they're talking about is political na yan. Hindi na totoo yan. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Wala kaming ginawang ganun. So anong human rights violation? Marami lang. Kung kukonti yun, mas marami pang nasaktan. Mas maraming nasaktan na supporter ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ, maraming nasaktan na pulis dahil maglalaban. So, kung marami, itapos ka agad ang problema. Dinadamay ni Kibuloy ang mga tauhan niya. Kasi sinasabak niya yung mga tauhan niya. Wala namang kasalanan niya mga yan. They just believe they're looking for an answer, a value system, and they think they have found it with Kibuloy. But they did not sign up to be in the front line of this kind of thing that's happening now, that they will protect him from arrest, even when he has cases filed against him, not only here in the Philippines, but also in the United States. So, I suppose I can understand their disagreement with us, even anger. But what all that the police are doing is enforcing the warrant of arrest.